It's a 2012 Audi S4. This S4 exemplifies control, poise, and athleticism, and it exudes style and confidence. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: intercooled supercharged V6 engine, sport suspension, auto shift manual transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, external memory control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, AM/FM HD satellite radio, front heated sports seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. New Car Test Drive adds, special to the S4 are sport seats with deep side bolsters designed to keep driver and passenger in place during vigorous driving. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.